Today I'm changing the air filter on the 2023 Qashqai, so let's get into it. The air intake duct is held in place by 3 points. Grab a small flathead screwdriver to remove this pin and lift up on the center of the pin. Next, release this clip and remove the air intake duct. With the air intake duct out of the way, you can now access the air filter. There's a clip on either side of the air filter housing. Just unclip these and pull out the filter. I'm using the OEM filter from Nissan, and I'll put the filter number in the description below. Whenever you're changing parts on your car, always a good idea to compare the size of the new part with the old one, and these two are the exact same size. Note, when you're putting the air filter back in, make sure this tab is facing the front of the car. Slide the new filter in and reclip the clips on each side. Also, if your air filter housing is dirty, you can also take a vacuum, clean that out. Quick tip for the proper fit. This channel on the air intake duct slides over the lip on the air filter housing. With everything aligned correctly, you'll be able to reinstall the first pin you removed easily. One last check to make sure everything is correctly back together and secure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment.